Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers to become professional pastry chefs. और आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं a delicious cheesecake with Greek yogurt. It is creamy, melts in your mouth, and so dreamy and easy to make. So let's start the recipe. But before that, make sure कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, so that you guys can stay updated with all our upcoming videos. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले हम इस 7-inch राउंड टिन को क्लिंग रैप से कवर करेंगे. Then we'll cover it with the aluminum foil so that there is no leakage while baking. As you can see that I am using a cheesecake baking tin. It makes the demolding easier. अब हम cheesecake की base बनाएंगे with digestive biscuit and butter. As you guys can see that मैंने पहले ही digestive biscuit को finely blend कर लिया है. अब इसमें हम melted butter add करेंगे और अच्छे से mix कर लेंगे. Now we'll add this mixture to the prepared tin and smooth out using a spoon. अब हम इसे 180 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर बेक कर देंगे for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the cheesecake batter. उसके लिए we'll soften cream cheese with sugar. So while making the cheesecake, make sure कि आपके सारे ingredients room temperature पे हो, so that it's easier to mix. अब हम इसमें Greek yogurt, eggs और vanilla essence डाल के अच्छे से mix कर लेंगे until fully incorporated. यहाँ पे मैं एपिगामी Greek yogurt यूज़ कर रही हूँ, but आप चाहे तो किसी भी ब्रांड का yogurt यूज़ कर सकते हो, like Nestle और Mother Dairy. So our cheesecake batter is ready and हमारा बेस भी अच्छे से बेक हो चुका है and has completely cooled down. अब हम cheesecake batter को इस पे pour कर देंगे. And we'll place it in this deep baking tray. Then we'll add hot water in the tray until 1/3 of the baking tin. चीज़ केक बनाने के लिए ये स्टेप बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. इस स्टेप से चीज़ केक में क्रैक्स या ब्राउन कलर नहीं आता. It bakes the cheesecake by spreading heat evenly. Now we'll bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 90 to 100 minutes or until it is jiggly from the middle only. So our cheesecake is baked properly and has completely cooled down. We'll keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours so that it sets properly. As the cheesecake will take some time to set, let's make the berry whipped cream that will pipe on the top of the cheesecake. So we'll beat whipped cream until it reaches soft peak. Now we'll divide this into 2 parts. In one part, we'll add in mixed berry puree and give it a mix. And the berry whipped cream to the piping bag that is fitted with round nozzle. We'll transfer the plain vanilla whipped cream in a piping bag that is fitted with open star nozzle. So our cheesecake is ready to be demolded. We'll remove the aluminum foil and cling wrap, then run heat gun around the baking tin. Lastly, we'll push the plate from the below. So as you guys can see, it looks really beautiful. Now we'll pipe berry and vanilla whipped cream alternatively. Lastly, we'll place fresh blueberries and mint leaves randomly. And here you go guys, we are done with this delicious yogurt cheesecake. I hope आपको हमारी ये रेसिपी पसंद आई. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Till then, keep baking.